Welcome to our channel. Today we how to create a travel rewards plan with Bank of America. Detailed guide step by step clearly. Start by assessing your travel goals. Identify the destinations you want to visit. Consider how often you travel throughout the year. Next, review the travel rewards credit cards offered by Bank of America. Look for cards that provide bonus points for travel-related purchases. Pay attention to the annual fees associated with each card. Once you have selected a card, apply for it online. Fill out the necessary information, including your income and credit score. After approval, familiarize yourself with the card's benefits. Make a list of the categories that earn bonus points. Start using your card for everyday purchases to accumulate points. Maximize points by booking travel through Bank of America's Travel Center. Monitor bonus point promotions that might be available. Set reminders for any spending thresholds for additional bonuses. Review your reward points regularly through the Bank of America app. Determine how many points you need for your desired travel rewards. Once you have accumulated enough points, plan your trip. Use your points to book flights, hotels, or rental cars. Keep track of any expiration dates on your rewards points. Consider redeeming points for special experiences or upgrades. Adjust your spending to optimize future point accumulation. Review your travel rewards plan periodically and make adjustments as needed. Stay informed about changes to Bank of America's rewards program. Engage with customer support to clarify any questions about your rewards. With careful planning and regular monitoring, you can maximize your travel rewards potential. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.